Good morning. Today is a Wednesday. May class ako at 9:30. Last I checked, it's already 8:30. 7:30 a.m. I woke up 6:30. I was actually planning to get up mga 5 a.m. pero hindi ko kaya. I can't. Maybe next week. This is actually the second week of classes kasi last week ang dami kong problema. Nasira yung phone ko so I couldn't vlog. I'm making my coffee na dadalhin ko sa campus kasi parang hindi ko na gusto yung timpla ng mga coffee stalls sa Ateneo. So ako na lang, I'll make my own coffee. I only have one class pero it's 3 hours. 12:30 pa tapos namin. And after that, I might stay on campus to do more work. Ang dami na agad naming work. Or like, ako. Hindi, actually, lahat kami, ang dami naming work. Not just academic work, but also org work. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog kasi natatakot ako, baka masira ulit yung phone ko. I still haven't gotten over my fear of vlogging with this phone. But, we gotta work. So, kapag nasira to, guys, hindi niyo ako makikita for like an entire year.
What the dog doing?
Video na picture.
Ay, video? Ay, vlog.
We're on a bathroom break. Pero pupunta kaming cafeteria. Tapos na kami sa class. Mag-lunch na kami. It's a capybara though.
It's a backpack.
I prefer the avocado. Bumalik na ako ng dorm. It's currently 6:17. Kakatapos lang ng meeting ko sa isang group presentation on Friday. It lasted for like less than 10 minutes. Most of them are available until 7 p.m. lang. And some of them, siningit lang talaga yung meeting. So, binilisan na lang namin. And now, we're done. Now, I am going out for a run. Kasi kagabi, I planned to run. Pero hindi ako natuloy. Because ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Marami pa rin naman akong kailangan gawin ngayon. But I think I can manage it more today. So, we're gonna try and be consistent and go out for a run. See you later. Active era. Sure. It's currently 8:30 p.m. I will hop into the shower, cook my dinner, and do some requirements before I sleep. I try my best to finish everything before 12 a.m. Pero kapag hindi talaga kaya, I extend to 1 a.m. And that's it. Kasi maaga akong gumigising. I wake up around 5 or 6 a.m. every day kasi may morning classes ako. Tomorrow, my earliest class is at 9:30. Pero syempre, magpre-prepare pa ako ng breakfast ko. Tapos magbabasa pa ako ng konti in the morning kasi may seat work kami tomorrow. It's probably gonna be a group work. Kailangan may ambag tayo. Okay. First up, shower. schedule ko. Ang dami kong kailangan i-schedule. Later we'll go sa cafe to work. And then, pupunta muna kami ng COA org group. Hinintay lang namin si Chessa. Sabihin mo yung line ko.
Sarap.
Ano? Nasa What About Coffee kami. Sa B. Gonzales is Nevan pa. We'll see kung worth it yun.
This place is really good.
So far, it's a lot of fun. Good morning. Today is Friday. It's almost 8 a.m. Yung class ko, 11 pa. I don't know why I woke up so early. Back to back kasi yung classes ko from 11 a.m. until 3:30. Wala akong breaks, so I won't be able to get my lunch. May presentation kami later. And then I have a paper na ipapasa during class. But it's already finished. I'm just gonna pack my bag kasi lately, ang sakit na nito sa shoulders ko. Kasi pabigat na siya ng pabigat everyday in the readings. I'm just gonna transfer it to this bag. Please don't mind the noise. Yung electric kettle. I'm making my own coffee, tapos pupunta na ako ng campus. I'm gonna stay in JSEC, eat my lunch or brunch. Tapos mag-work akong konti kasi I haven't read much of the readings for my first subject. So I'm gonna do a few readings first. Tapos, prepare ako for my presentation. Ang layo ng rooms ko from each other. I'll update you once I'm on campus. Nag-aral na ako, nag-prepare na ako para sa presentation ko. So, I'm gonna proceed with my readings.
What the dog doing?
This photo gives me the strength to carry on.
Ang tagal mag-dismiss ng prof. I'm walking back to Gonzaga. Layo pa. Saan hindi ako mali? Classes are officially done.
Suspended.
Uy! Done. Basta done na. We're going to the co-org room to chill. Hi!
Hello!
I'm heading back to my dorm kasi prepare na ako. I'm celebrating my birthday today with my friends.